Good morning, students. Dear students, I am going to do the revision of SST class 8th. Dear students, it was the worksheet of 8th class. AD stands for, how can you write the full form of AD? Anno Domini. AD stands for AD Anno Domini. Anno Domini. Like this, BC, before Christ era. AC, after Christ. After Christ. BCE, before Christ or common era. Dear students, it was the worksheet of 8th class, so fill in the blanks. How can you fill this? AD stand for Anno Domini. Dowry is a social evil. Dowry is a social evil. Who makes laws? The Parliament makes laws. James Mill. James Mill was a British philosopher who wrote in his book, Britisher came in India, a history of British India. You can say James Mill described that history. There are three types of history: ancient history, modern history, and medieval history. James Mill described in his book A History of British India. So that's James Mill denoted ancient history. It refers to the Hindu. Medieval history, it refers to the Muslim, and modern history, it refers to the Britisher. That's why you can say that history have three sections: ancient, medieval, and modern history. Modern history is known as golden era of the history. So dear students, I am coming, answer the following question. It was Constitution. Constitution is a set of written rules and guidelines which governs the country. यानी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नियम और गाइडलाइंस का एक ऐसा बुक है, किताब है, जो गवर्नमेंट को गाइडलाइन प्रदान करती है देश को सुचारू रूप से चलाने के लिए. Yes, how many types of coal described? So dear students, there are 4 types of coal. Coal is a natural resources. It has provided by the nature, and whenever we are mining, so that we get coal. Coal is natural resources, and there are 4 types of coal: anthracite coal, lignite coal, bituminous coal, and peat coal. Anthracite coal is the high quality coal, and peat is the 3rd grade quality of coal. यानी like this you can say anthracite कोयला हाई क्वालिटी का कोयला होता है, एंड पीट कोल लोवेस्ट क्वालिटी का कोल होता है. So that you have to describe anthracite, lignite, bituminous, and peat. Now I am coming. How can you say that salt satyagraha was very important? So dear students, you have to write that we know very well that whenever Britisher has banned for making the salt by the Indian. It was prohibited for the Indian, but Gandhiji and their persons who has participated in the campaign, they participated, and Gandhiji and their persons from the ashram to sea coast went there and make the salt, and they have broken the law of Britisher. It was banned for making the salt. So Gandhiji makes salt and they have broken the rule of the Britisher. That's why it was very important, because it was the starting of achieve the Swaraj in our India. Now next question was, what is the importance of historical monuments, archives and miscellaneous sources in studying modern history? So it was very, very important of historical monuments for us, because it denotes that era was different or similar. That era was very precious or cheap, and it denotes the characteristics of the emperor who ruled all over kingdom. So that's historical monuments, archives and miscellaneous sources. Like this you can say art and artifacts, literary sources, sculpture and others. It denotes what was the condition of that kingdom on that time. Why are laws required? Law required because without law you can't do anything. You have to do the work in legal way. If you are doing illegal work, so that's government punish you. Yani like this, in discipline, in legal work we can do the work. So that's law required, because law is in the absence of law, so that we can't do the legal work. We aspects to the illegal work, because there is no law. So that's law is very important for us. It gives the guidelines for the citizen of our country. You have to do legal work, because law is there. If you are doing anything, so that's under the law, you will captured, you will arrested by the police. Yes, see the page number 141. He will take a world map, and you have to show the point. You have to show you have to take a Indian map, and you have to show that different type of soil. You know very well that there are 6 types of soil. There are 6 types of soil: black soil, alluvial soil, arid soil, red soil, laterite soil and alluvial soil. In like this, there are many types of soil. And next map is on a political map of India. This one biosphere reserve, 2 tiger projects and 1 bird sanctuary. You have to fill this. So dear students, you have to do the worksheet this type. Understand? You have to fully focus on the work, fully dedication work. It must be, and you will write AD, Anno Domain, BC before Christ era, AC after Christ, BCE before Christ era, या before common era. Dear students, it was the worksheet of this. How can you preparation? It is dependent on you. You have to read the fully chapter because chapter are very less, and syllabus of SST is very short, so that you can read the full chapter and you can give the answer of particular questions which question is asking in the SA1 exam. So that's it was the preparation of the worksheet. So I hope that you will fully preparation for the exam. Thank you so much.